Hi, I'm Adam Stevenson from Mozilla's Web Compatibility team. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can help Mozilla by investigating older tech evangelism bugs. For anyone new to the Webcompat effort, this is a great way to get acquainted with Bugzilla and help get some bugs resolved. For this activity, you need a Bugzilla account and an updated version of Firefox. All required links are provided below. First, we follow the link to Bugzilla, which gives us a list of bugs and the English-US component. There are other language components in tech evangelism, which also need to be looked at. For today, we'll stick with English as it has the largest amount of bugs to work on. I'm going to sort by date the bugs were last changed, so we can see the oldest bugs at the top. Let's pick the first bug on the list and click on it. The title mentions the site doesn't scroll, so let's see what's in the description. Okay, not a lot of information. Next, we'll quickly check over the rest of the comments for anything that sticks out. Okay, not seeing a whole lot. So now we go back to the top and follow the URL. Alright, it looks like the previous site is no longer there. We get a park domain, so we can go ahead and close this. Scroll down to the comments section and put in a comment. So I'm going to say the site no longer exists. And closing. You may not have access to close the bug yourself, so you can say please close instead. Since I have access, I'm going to show you what the status menu says. So I select resolved, and I pick a reason. In this case, I'm going to say invalid. You can see the other codes there. And click Save Changes to continue. Now we see the bug is resolved. I'll scroll down to the bottom to see my comment. Great, we finished this bug, and that shows you just how easy it is. So I'm going to do another example, and I'm going to jump right to the bug this time. This one says the site requires IE5 or better, and not much more info. So let's follow the URL and see what we get. We get an older styled site, but at the top here it says it now works in Firefox. Let's give the draw a table function a try. And it seems to be working okay. Let's add a comment then. Site now works with Firefox. Closing. Again, you can just ask someone to close. Someone from Mozilla will get the notification and take care of that. In this case, I'm going to mark the status as fixed, since they mentioned it now works with Firefox and appears they've implemented a fix. So save the changes, and we're done another bug. If you run into a bug that is still valid, simply comment on the bug that it still exists. Someone from Mozilla will move the bug to the desktop component of Tech Evangelism. This is where we're consolidating all valid desktop bugs to. You will notice that many sites have changed or no longer exist. However, for the issues still present, it is good for the web that we leave these bugs open and allow the chance for them to get resolved. This is one of the quickest ways you can get acquainted with web compatibility. It requires the least amount of setup and provides context to the history of compatibility issues and why balance is important on the web. There are many other ways you can get involved in web compatibility. To get more details, see the links below. If you have any questions, you can reach us on the compatibility email list, on Twitter at MozWebCompat, or on IRC in the Webcompat channel. Thanks for watching, and for any help you can give with assessing these old bugs.